You've probably heard the number by now, 300 million. That's how many jobs an investment bank, Goldman Sachs, estimates could be lost or degraded worldwide due to artificial intelligence. This isn't just a scary headline, it's a sign of a massive shift in how our society works. It raises a critical question for every single one of us. Is your job at risk, and what can you do, starting today, to make sure you come out ahead? This isn't some far-off, science fiction scenario anymore. The wave of AI-driven automation is here, and it's changing things faster than any tech revolution we've seen before. We're not just talking about robots on a factory floor, we're talking about generative AI automating the kind of cognitive and administrative tasks that many people thought were safe, white-collar work. The World Economic Forum's 2023 Future of Jobs report projects that nearly a quarter of all jobs will be disrupted in the next 5 years alone. This will involve a massive churn, with the WEF expecting 83 million roles to be eliminated, while 69 million new ones are created by 2027. So the question is no longer if this will impact you, but how and when. So where is this change hitting the hardest? Let's break down 5 of the industries facing the biggest transformation. First, administrative and office support. Roles like data entry clerks and executive assistants are on the front lines. AI can now schedule meetings, manage documents, and process information with incredible speed and accuracy, making many routine tasks redundant. The World Economic Forum predicts significant losses for data entry and administrative secretary jobs in the coming years. Second, customer service. The era of the AI chatbot is in full swing. Companies are already replacing large portions of their support staff with AI bots that can handle customer queries efficiently and at a lower cost. Third, believe it or not, the tech industry itself. In a bit of irony, the revolution is starting to eat its own. Major tech companies are laying off staff with plans to replace thousands of back-office and HR roles with AI. Even some entry-level coding and software testing jobs are vulnerable as AI gets better at writing and debugging its own code. Fourth, manufacturing and logistics. This is the classic example, but now it's supercharged with AI. It's no longer just about robotic arms. AI is optimizing entire supply chains, managing inventory, and performing quality control with a level of precision that's hard for humans to match. And fifth, retail and finance. Some analysts predict that AI will transform roles in financial analysis and risk assessment. In retail, self-checkout kiosks and AI-driven inventory management are already common, shifting the roles of cashiers and sales associates. Hearing all this can feel overwhelming. It might seem like a tidal wave is coming while we're all standing on the beach. But this isn't the first time humanity has faced a massive technological shift. The Industrial Revolution moved millions of people out of agriculture, but it also paved the way for entirely new industries and jobs. While some jobs will be lost, AI is also projected to create new ones. The World Economic Forum estimates 69 million new roles could emerge by 2027. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. This isn't an end, but a fundamental reset of what we value in the workplace. The jobs that are most at risk are the repetitive, predictable ones. The jobs of the future will rely on skills that are uniquely human. If you want to learn how to navigate these changes, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're going to be breaking down exactly how to build the skills you'll need in our upcoming videos. So, what are these critical skills? What is the human element that AI can't just replicate? Here are 5 areas to focus on to not just survive, but thrive in this new economy. 1. Complex problem solving. AI is a powerhouse when you give it clean data and clear rules, but it struggles with messy, real-world problems. The ability to tackle complex issues that don't have a simple answer is a human skill that's becoming more valuable than ever. 2. Creativity and originality. AI can generate content based on the patterns it has learned from existing information, but it can't have a truly original idea. Your ingenuity, your intuition, and your ability to think outside the box are your real competitive advantages. 3. Emotional intelligence. Empathy, leadership, and collaboration are the foundations of human connection. AI can't build genuine trust with a client, inspire a team through a tough project, or navigate a delicate negotiation. These so-called soft skills are the new power skills. 4. Critical thinking. We are surrounded by AI-generated content. The ability to question assumptions, evaluate information, and spot bias is essential. You need to be the person who can look at what an AI produced and ask, is this actually right, is it useful, and what's missing? 5. AI literacy and human-AI collaboration. You don't have to become a machine learning engineer, but you do need to learn how to use AI as a tool. The most valuable people in the workforce will be those who can guide and collaborate with AI systems to get results that neither human nor machine could achieve alone. The transformation is happening, and that 300 million figure from Goldman Sachs is a serious wake-up call. Entire industries are being redefined right before our eyes. But standing still isn't a strategy. The future doesn't belong to AI, it belongs to the people who learn how to work with it. It belongs to those who are adaptable, creative, and can think critically. The robots aren't coming for your job, they're coming for the repetitive, boring parts of it. The choice is yours. Will you be automated or will you be augmented?